Hi guys, welcome back to a new video, and this time I will take you with me for my drone flights. And yeah, let's hop on a bike and just see where I am going to fly my drone. Okay, we have arrived at our location. This is called Park Klarenbeek and it is quite nice. It's great weather, the cows are here, I see some horses, and it is time to fly my drone. I will first set everything up. Okay, I can show you what I have. So I got the drone and this is the connector to my phone. I have 2 extra batteries. I also got a huge power bank actually. So I also got this power bank, and at the drone itself I also have 1 battery, so I have 3 batteries, and with this power bank I can recharge it, which means I have 1 hour maximum flight time. Okay, it is time to connect my remote with my phone. So as you can see, I have the DJI Go 4 and I need to connect with this application. That was my timer. Okay, it is set up right now and it is showing colors. Yes, he is showing some connection, so I hope I got some signal. Really important to set the home points. When there is an error or anything, yeah, then it can be a huge problem and the drone can fall down, and I do not want that. So that's why it is very important to set the home points. So he needs to come back at this place. I will show you which place it is.